Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block or unblock someone on WhatsApp using Samsung S25 Plus. So first, what you guys need to do is block the person. So here, click three dots. And now what you need to do is click more and click block. Now here you can also report it and now click block. Now the contact is blocked, as you guys can see. And how to unblock it is pretty simple. Click three dots, click more, and now click unblock. Here we need to wait, and as you guys can see, now we unblock this contact. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.